We all want to become a better trail rider, whether it's to keep up with your friends or ride more challenging trails, but just riding more isn't going to make you a better rider, especially if you're busy with working a job over 40 hours, you have a long commute, or it's 2+ hours to drive to the trails. So how do you become a better rider this year without spending a lot of time just getting more seat time? Well, when you're going to the trails and you're just trying to figure it out on your own, which is what I did for years, it takes a lot longer to build up your skills and your confidence because you don't know what you need help with. It's easy to form bad riding habits that cause you to get stuck halfway up hills, to lose control while riding in sand, or for your wheels to slide out on flat corners. And if you're just trying to go at it over and over again and getting more seat time to try and build up your confidence, this isn't the best way to do it. The quickest way to build your confidence on the trails is by building up your muscle memory. And this can work even if you're 50+ years old. Think about it. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night and all the lights are out, you could probably walk to your bathroom without any lights on, pee in the toilet and flush the toilet, wash your hands, get back into bed, all with very little to no light. Why? Because you've done that so many times where you know where to step, you know where to place your hands, you've built up that muscle memory so that you don't even have to think about it. The same goes for riding a dirt bike. When you intentionally focus on building your muscle memory with some positive riding habits, you'll be able to ride hills, sand, flat corners with more control and confidence because you know where to put your body and anticipate where to put your body without even thinking about it. Because if you come up to a corner or a hill and you have to think about, okay, I need to use this much throttle and this much clutch, you need to apply the brake. If you need to think about it, it's already too late because you either lost your momentum and your speed or you overshot the corner because you had to think about how much brake to apply. And instead of loading up your bike, driving 3 hours to the trails, riding for an hour or two, then driving all the way back, instead of spending all day, you can build up these positive riding habits with your muscle memory in 15-20 minutes a day, even if you have a small backyard. So if you spend 15 minutes a day, you can become a more confident rider faster than spending 8 hours on a Saturday every week. And if you want to become a more confident trail rider within the next 6 to 12 months, I want to show you how to build these positive riding habits, even if you don't have a lot of time or a big space or trails to practice at. Click the link in the description below and it'll give you a free guide that will show you how to get started. So do you have just 15 minutes a day instead of spending that time on your phone to build up these positive riding habits? Let me know in the comments below. And then stay tuned because episode number 30 in this beginner series is coming out tomorrow or right here if it's already out. I'm Kelly Fager. Learn more, ride more.